Good morning, students. In my previous video, I have taught decimal fractions, and in decimal fractions, I have taught you addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals. Okay. Now, a new topic is there. What? Terminating and non-terminating decimal. These are two types of decimals that I am going to explain. What are terminating decimal? Terminating decimal, when you divide any number by any number, then if you not get any remainder, then that is terminating decimal. Any decimal number you take or any number, any fraction you take, suppose 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Okay? If you divide 3 by 4, then how we divide it? We put 0 point because 3 is less than 4, so we put here 0 point and then we can get 1 0. Then 4, 7 are 28 and 2 will remember. Then again you put 1 0 and 4 5 are 20. Now no remainder is remaining. Understanding? So these type of decimal we say terminating decimal, in which no remainder remains. Some more example. For example, from your book I am taking that 31.76 divided by 4. 31.76 divided by 4. If you divide it, see 31.76 4. 7 are 28. 3 will remainder. Put the decimal here. Here is decimal. Okay, and then take 7, 9 with that 4 9s are 36, 1, and then 6 will take and 4 4s are 16. Now no remainder is remaining. It is dividing, 4 is dividing this perfectly. Understand? Now some more example that if we just reciprocal of this 3 by 4, we take reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. Now you divide 4 by 3. See that you go one time. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. And put here decimal, then you can get 0. Now 3 3s are 9. Again you will get 1, put 0. 3 3s are 9. Again you will get 1 and put 0, 3 3s are 9. You will see that you will get 1.3, 3, 3, 3 and so on. And remainder will come 1, 1, 1 and so on. You will put 0, you will divide it 3 times. So it will come 1.3, 3, 3, 3 dash, dash, dash and so on. Infinite time it will come. So these type of decimal we say non-terminating decimal. Understood, student? Example, one example from your book I am taking, that is 13.78 divided by 7. From your book you can see it is 13.78 divided by 7. This one time we go, then 6, put here decimal and then it will go 9 times, 63, then 4 will come, take 8, then it will go 8, 6 times and then 42, then 6, 0, then it will go 8 times, then 56 and so on. If you divide it, remainder will come and come and come and your numbers will come and once you will divide, you see that 9, 6, 8, 5. It is repeated. 9, 6, 8, 5, 9, 6, 8, 5, 9, 6, 8, 5. It is repeated. Means the remainder will come on, means it will come infinite time and here you will divide infinite time. So this one we call, this type of decimal we call non-terminating decimal. And now, second thing, a recurring decimal. These are non-terminating, non-terminating, and in this we get recurring decimal also. Recurring. repeating decimal. The decimal which repeats. Okay, suppose just now I divided 4 by 3. So what it came? 1.3333. So this one is repeating and repeating and repeating and repeating. This is called repeating decimal, recurring decimal. Suppose you are dividing 2 by 3. This will come 0.6666. These are called recurring decimal because 6 is repeated. And how we denote it like this? 1.3. This one is bar. Or you can put it like this also. Sorry. This one is 1.3 dot here. Like this you can denote it. This one is 0.6 bar. Or you can put it 0.6 dot here. Means 6 is repeating. 6 will go on. Okay? And now in recurring decimal, two types of decimal, that is pure recurring decimal and mixed recurring decimals. Pure recurring decimals in which the decimal part, all decimal parts are repeated. Suppose 1.333 only 333 are there, it is repeated. Okay, here 66 repeating. But if you see 0.27, these are pure recurring. Decimal. Okay, and now I am going to write that is mixed recurring decimals. In mixed what we get? Suppose 0.27 bar. Here 2 is not repeating. Here 7 is repeating only. Then in decimal part, 2 is acted as it is, and 7, only 7 is repeating. Since here that recurring decimal and one simple decimal is there, so this one is mixed decimal, mixed recurring decimal. Just like 8.531. Suppose 31. 5 is not repeating. 31 is repeating. What it is? 8.5313131. Okay? You can see 31 repeating, but 5 is not repeating. So this type of decimal we call mixed recurring decimal. Understood, students? Okay? Now, next topic is how to change a recurring decimal into a vulgar fraction. Okay? You studied about that decimal fraction, how to change decimal fraction to a fraction, simple fraction. Decimal numbers you can change in fraction, but if this type of decimal is there, recurring decimal or terminating or non-terminating decimal, then how to change it in vulgar fraction. Okay, that I am going to explain. See how. Suppose you have 0.234 and 4 is repeating. Here 4 is repeating. So in your step 1, what you will do? Step 1. In step 1, you can see this 234, 2, 3 are not repeated, only 4 repeated. So we will subtract from 234 this decimal part minus this 23 which is non-repeated, 23. This one, non-repeating decimals, we will subtract from whole decimal, all the decimal number. 234 minus this 23. So what will come? 4 minus 3, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 211. Okay. Now, step 2. In step 2, that 0.234 bar is equal to, In vulgar fraction, numerator and denominator we have to put. So in numerator, you will put this 211. And in denominator, what we have to put? Listen carefully. How many repeating decimal? One. Only one digit is repeating. 4 is repeating. 4. Only one digit. So you have to put only 19. Okay. And how many are not repeating? 2. 2 digits are not repeating. So you have to put 2 zeros. You get 211 by 900. So vulgar fraction is there. Easy. Suppose, some more example. Suppose you have 0.234. 34 is repeated. Okay? 34 is repeated. Okay? So, step 1, what you will do? You have to subtract from 234 what? Which one is not repeated? 2. 2 is not repeated. So, subtract 2 only. So, what will come? 232. This will come. And step 2, what you have to do? Step 2, you have to write 0.234 bar is equal to, in numerator, you have to put this one, 232. And in denominator, how many repeated decimal? How many digits are there? 3, 4. 2 digits are there. So you have to put 2 nines. Here, how many repeated? 4. Only 1 repeated. So you have to put 1 9. Here 2 repeated. So you have to put 2 9. And how many non-repeated? 1. So you have to put 1 0. Understood? So this one is vulgar fraction of 0.2341. Suppose you have 0.234, all are repeated. Understood? 234, all. 234, 234, 234. Okay. So what you have to do? What is step 1? Step 1, that is 234 minus what you have to subtract. Nothing is repeated. 234, nothing is repeated. So you have to subtract 0. Okay. Now, what will come? 234. And in step 2, 0.234 bar is equal to, in numerator you have to put 234, this one, and in denominator, how many repeated? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits repeated, so you have to put 999. And how many non-repeated? Nothing, so nothing you have to put. Don't put any zero. Here 0, how many zeros you are putting? You are putting how many? How many non-repeating decimals are here? Okay, only 1. Here 2. So now I think it is clear how to change our decimal, recurring decimal in vulgar fraction. Understood, students? So now you can do your exercise 4D. Okay, in exercise 4D, find whether the given division forms a terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. So you have to divide, first question, to divide it, and if remainder is coming, then it is not terminating. Remainder is coming and coming and coming, then it is non-terminating. And if it is cancelled, okay, then it is terminating. Second, express as a recurring decimal. So you have to divide only and get recurring decimal. Convert into vulgar fraction. Third question and fourth question also you have to convert into vulgar fraction, and fifth question also convert into vulgar fraction. So you have to use these steps, okay, these 2 steps, and get the answers. So do it, okay, exercise 4D, and in my next video I will tell you about rounding off. Okay, so in this video, till here, children. Thank you, children.